How to fix PayPal card not supported error. So basically, if you're trying to link a card within PayPal, so you launched a PayPal application, go to the wallet tab, tap on the add new card option, and you're trying to add a debit or credit card by entering the card information. And if it says card not linked or error, or if it's not supported, you must verify that the card details, including the billing address and the expiration, match your PayPal profile. Confirm the card and ensure it is not already linked to another potentially closed account. So if the card is linked to a previous PayPal account where the account has been marked as fraud or spam and it has been closed, then in that case your card will not be supported. And you must also make sure to check the card type. So the card must be a standard Visa, MasterCard, Discover or American Express. Prepaid cards, procurement cards or store-specific cards may not be supported properly. You can try to remove the card, so if the card has been added, just remove it and relink it to see if that helps you solve the problem as well. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.